So we're showing you guys how to replace the crankshaft sensor off of the first gen Toyota Tundra 4.7 liter V8. That's where the crankshaft sensor is located. It's right behind the pulley. Here's the radiator. So if you go right behind there where the pulley is, it's located right behind there. You're actually going to be using a 10 millimeter to remove the crankshaft sensor. There you go. We're going to take it off now. There it is, guys. So we finally removed the crankshaft sensor. This is the bad one. So here is the old crankshaft sensor. As you can see, it's pretty much done. Needs to be replaced. And here is the new one. So yeah, we've been doing some research online and we noticed that there isn't really any videos out there on how to replace them. And there's also a camshaft sensor. That's something different, but this is a crankshaft sensor. And again, yeah, we haven't seen any or found any videos on that, so we decided to make this video for you guys. So if you guys found that this video was helpful for you guys, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll bring you guys more DIY content on the Tundra. So yeah, we're going to be putting this crankshaft sensor, this new one, and replace it, and we should be good to go. The passenger light, and you go down to where this is your radiator. This is the radiator, and when you look down, right dead center, that's where the crankshaft sensor is, right where the pulley is. So you just replace it, and you would need a 10 millimeter to remove the bolt. Also, right there is the heat shroud, and you're gonna have to remove that first before anything. So you're gonna need a 12 millimeter socket to remove it, and then once you remove the heat shroud, you're gonna be able to get access right there in the middle, right there where you see the pulley's at, and right in the center, the black right there, that's where the crankshaft sensor is located. So we hope you guys enjoyed this video. We hope this was helpful. There's not a lot of videos out there for the crankshaft sensor for the first generation Toyota Tundra. There's also videos out there of the camshaft sensor. That's something different, guys. So this is not the camshaft sensor, this is the crankshaft sensor. That's located right there, right next to the pulley right there. You see right in the center? That's where that sensor is at. So make sure you guys subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.